Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode of Barber Masters. Guys, in this video, you will find the most crispiest haircut inspired by the best barber around the world, and I hope you will enjoy all of these barber masterpiece. So don't skip this video and watch till end, and you will enjoy. In this video, we have gathered top 16 to 20 haircut transformation that the inspiration of the best barber around the world. So you will find the lots of haircut idea right here. So just stick in this video, don't skip, and you will gonna love all of these transformation. As you can see, all of these haircuts are very precise because this barber knows the exactly style that will suit your face shape or your hair type, and they are very consistent and professional, and they are very dedicated with their work, and I love to have a haircut from at least one of these barbers. This is gonna be a most fascinating haircut compilation video for you. Because all of these barber are just they have a strong game. The way they deliver the haircut is impressive. They are always ready to give you a top-notch haircut. All of these transformations are very satisfying, and I love that type of transformation. new haircut ideas, I think the Barber Maestro is the right channel on YouTube to help you to discover the most trendiest haircut transformation. So if you intend to subscribe our channel yet, I think you have to subscribe because you will find most trendiest haircut transformation for upcoming time, because we update our videos on a daily basis. We always trying to just give some latest haircut ideas for our audience. The way these barbers are cutting hair is very professional, and I can guarantee you will never find anywhere like if you find that type of barber around you. I think you are lucky to have a barber like this, because a barber, yes, barber can change your life. So if you find a perfect barber, I think you don't have to cheat your barber. All of these haircut and transformation are incredible, and we are lucky to have that type of barber. What type of hair or what type of face shape you have, if you got barber like this, I think you don't need to just don't worry about that, because that type of skilled barber just solve your problem. If you really love all of this transformation, I will mention all of this barber in my description box. If you are luckily near this barber, I think you have to book your appointment and get a haircut from this barber. And that was fantastic transformation of the day. Anyways guys, I hope you had enjoyed all of this cringiest haircut transformation. It's time to sign off for the now. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for every new haircuts.